topic. Okay? What do you say? I'm going to go ahead and set the topic. To this. Ooh, now that I think about it, I should play different music. Even though I really want to play that. Even though I really, really want to play that. We're going to play this real quick. So yeah, guys, this is a cool opportunity to give some love and encouragement to someone who is bravely shared about what they're going through on Heartsupport's anonymous forum called the Support Wall. You can find more about that at forum.heartsupport.com. So if you're in a position where maybe you can't open up to your parents because they flip out when you say something, you can share on the support wall and get feedback and love and encouragement about whatever you're going through from people who love and care about you. Okay? I want to take some time to acknowledge somebody's struggle right now who is brave enough to share on the support wall, and I want to do some art, and I also want to hang out with you guys and have a discussion about it. Okay? I'm just going to quickly just give this person a welcome and then a hello, and then I'm going to record a time lapse of this art, and I'm just going to bust it out. I'm just going to complete it, and I'm just going to upload that, and that's going to be my reply. Okay? I felt like in the past sometimes like I've had to complete a piece of art and give someone a bunch of time at the same time. And I don't feel like I do that well simultaneously. So I want to experiment with this different format, see how it feels. If it sucks, I won't do it anymore. But I want to try it. And at least I'll have a recording of some art that I can put up on YouTube or whatever that I can kind of just talk about while I do this. So anyways, that's my plan. So you guys are up to speed on stuff. So yeah. Blatz Creek, it's okay. Don't worry about it, man. If you want for this segment, I can just scream into a microphone. I don't think it's copyrighted. Oh, thanks, man. Okay, the toddler has toast now. That's good. Joey says, I'm cooking a lot. Made homemade Alfredo and Italian bread a few nights back. Good way to relax for me, but I can understand cooking is too stressful for others. I'm sure your meal will turn out great. Hey, that's really cool. You'll tell me after a support wall topic. Okay, that's fine. I feel kind of ashamed to tell this, but I'm starting to get scared about the constant shouting if even a word comes out of my mouth. Yeah, Blatz Creek, I'm sorry. That sucks. I want to encourage you to open up on the support wall. Talk about what you're going through. Talk about your story. Get some perspective from people. Exclamation point topic, guys. Click on that, follow along, and if you want to respond, you can type exclamation point respond, and it will automatically send a reply to this person's support wall topic directly from Twitch chat, which is pretty cool. Go ahead and drop a marker real quick. Actually, better yet, you know what I'll do? Boop. Hey Minnie, what's up? I know there's a super easy way to put a what is it? A marker. Where is it? Oh, here we go. Create stream marker. Boom. That's what I want right there. Marker. There we go. What's up, Busta? Sick. Okay. All right, guys. This post comes from user. This is actually from Turtles and Chills stream. Turtles and Chills fan number 3 says, "I'm feeling really depressed lately. I've reacted to a friend in a way that hurt them, and I knew it was a bad reaction on my end, but I couldn't control it. I'm worried that I'm going to push my friend away if I keep behaving this way." So, hey, Turtles and Chill fan, thank you so much for posting. It's really cool of you to open up and share. You know, I'm not a counselor, I'm not a therapist or anything, but I'm someone who is going to listen to your story and give you some time and attention. And one of the things that I can do is art. Okay, I like to paint, I like to draw, I like to create things, and I'm going to use that to encourage you. Okay, so I'm going to work on this drawing, and I want to share just some thoughts real quickly before I get into that art. And first off, I want to tell you how awesome it is that you shared here, because that's really cool. It's really brave of you to open up, and I see that you're part of the Turtles and Chill community there. They're a friend of ours on here on Twitch, and I'm so grateful for them to allow these tools to be used to open up these kind of conversations with their community. And I know you're in good hands, because the person who runs that channel is a good dude, and someone who we love and respect a lot. So, man, I hope this gives you some encouragement. I hope this gives you some perspective on things. So thank you so much for posting. I can see how you'd feel bad reacting in a way that you weren't proud of, you know, and it sounds like you understand that. It was a bad reaction on my end. I couldn't control it. I'm worried I'm going to push my friend away if I keep behaving this way. So one of the things I want to just, go out and say is you shouldn't beat yourself up over something you can't control, especially if it was like, a spur of the moment, emotional decision or reaction, I should say. That happens. People lose their cool. People make mistakes, and they say things that they don't mean. But what's important here is that you and hopefully, the friend who was on the receiving end of this unfortunate, communication with you, they understand that this happens and that they've probably done the same thing too, So while you're over here beating yourself up, I'm wondering if this person is also like beating you up in the way that they felt about it, or if they were just like, man, somebody had a bad day, and that happens, Have you talked to this friend? Have you apologized? Have you reached out to them? Have you made that extension to say, 1, I messed up, and 2, I'm sorry, and I want to make it right? Because it sounds like you really care about this person, and it sounds like you're a really good friend. You just had a bad moment, and that's okay. So give yourself some grace, friend. Give yourself some time. Give yourself some space to go through these emotions. Maybe if it's still like really, really, if that anger and that hurt is still like really hot and present, maybe take a day to let it kind of cool down, reapproach this person in a way that's appropriate. And I hope that your friendship with this person actually grows from this. This is an awesome opportunity for two human beings to be real and say, hey, I screwed up. I made a mistake. I spoke out of line. I said some hurtful things to you. Do you forgive me? And if you're afraid that you're going to push this friend away if you keep behaving this way, maybe this friend can work with you to help find a resource or a tool for you to get some help. Maybe it's some counseling. Maybe it's some anger management stuff. I don't know. I'm just throwing out ideas here. I do want to tell you that Heartsupport has an awesome partnership with the online counseling organization BetterHelp. And so it's a service that I use. And I really enjoy talking to my counselor. We just do voice calls. We do text stuff too. But you can get a free 7-day trial with using our affiliate service with them. And it's betterhelp.com/heartsupport. So I want to encourage you to check it out. Anyways, I'm going to work on this art for you. I'm going to post a time lapse of this art on your support wall post as a reply. And I would love for you to check this out. Anyway, thank you so much for posting. Hold fast.